This hair growth tonic, or call it a hair growth spray, is the best thing you can do for yourself if you are trying to grow your hair much faster. When I did my big chop, I was struggling to grow my hair. But after finding natural ingredients and learning the right way to use them, now my hair is growing much faster, it's flourishing, it's growing much thicker, and I just love it. You just have to believe in natural ingredients because guess what? God created them and everything God created is good. You just have to learn the right way to use it, and that's exactly what I show you on this channel. And today is one of such amazing videos. Let's get into it. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you an amazing hair growth tonic, or call it hair growth spray, that can stimulate new healthy hair growth. If you really want to grow your hair much faster, if you're suffering from hair thinning, hair breakages, or if you're balding at any part of your hair, you should take this recipe very seriously. And there's one trick I'm going to show you getting to the end of this video, so make sure you are watching every part of this video. Our first natural ingredient we're going to use is the rosemary herbs. These are the fresh rosemary herbs. It's very easy to find in the stores. It is very affordable. Rosemary is very great when it comes to hair growth because it is going to stimulate new healthy hair growth. Rosemary can improve blood circulation to the scalp. As a result, will prevent hair follicles from being starved of blood supply, and this will increase your hair growth. The next ingredient we're going to use in today's recipe is clove. But before getting into all that, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video. If you haven't tried clove in your hair care routine, then you must be missing out on something good. Clove has so many properties that will help stimulate new healthy growth. It can also treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. The next natural ingredient we're going to use in today's recipe is hibiscus. Hibiscus contains vitamins and minerals that will help strengthen your hair strands, and this will prevent hair fall, hair breakages, or even hair thinning. It is also going to condition your hair, make it really soft and easy to manage. Adding hibiscus to your hair care routine will not only strengthen your hair, but it's also going to treat your scalp to give way to new healthy hair growth. This recipe right there is so powerful, guys. And there is one trick I'm going to show you that will even maximize the benefit of this recipe. At this point, all you need to do is to add some water to it. There is no measurement to this. It all depends on the quantity you're trying to make. After adding the water, all you need to do is to transfer it into the stove and allow it to boil. We're going to leave this to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. You do not have to overboil it. This treatment is so powerful that right after the first use, you're going to see a whole lot of changes in your hair, the texture, and even how it looks. You do not have to sleep on this, guys. You need to give this a try. You just have to know the best way to use it. Otherwise, you're not going to get all the benefits of it. And since I'm not greedy and I'm spelling all the T to the T, I'm going to show you the right way to use this recipe in order to get a benefit. So make sure you're watching every part of this video and you're not skipping any part of it. So we just allow this to boil again for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then after that, I'm going to set it aside and allow it to cool down. Once it's cooled down, the next thing to do is to strain it. We just need the tonic or the water out of this recipe. You can use your strainer, cheesecloth, anything that you have handy. Just look at how beautiful the color is already looking. One thing I can tell you for sure about this recipe is to be consistent with the use. If you want faster result, you will have to continue using this, following all the instructions I'm going to tell you in this video. I'm going to tell you all the instructions on how to use this. So make sure you pay attention to it and you follow it exactly as I tell you. Okay, so here is the trick I was talking about. After getting the recipe like so, there is one more ingredient you need to add. Do not skip that part of it. You need this ingredient in it to make it stay in your hair much longer. I'm going to add some oil to it, and today I chose to add olive oil. You can feel free to use any carrier oil of your choice, but you need to add some kind of oil to this. Adding oil to it will help it stay in your hair much longer. As you know, this recipe is just water based. I mean, it's literally just water. So you need to add some oil to it. It's very important. Olive oil is great when it comes to natural hair. It contains some vitamins and nutrients that are also great for the hair. It is going to strengthen your hair strength and also add some shine to the hair. After adding the oil, make sure to give it a good stir. You know, water and oil are not the best of friends, so make sure you give it a good stir so it can at least mix together somehow. I'm also going to add some essential oil to this recipe. I love my essential oils. Aside the fragrance that is going to add to the recipe, it also has its own added benefits. I'm adding rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil will help treat your scalp from dandruff, dry scalp, and other scalp issues. It is also going to strengthen your hair strands. Remember, I added the rosemary herbs to it. So, adding the essential oil to it will only maximize the benefit of this recipe. After having everything together like so, I'm just going to transfer it into a spray bottle. It is much easier to use this recipe when you have it in a spray bottle since you're going to be spraying it on your scalp. Let me show you how to use this recipe. But before getting into that, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up already, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up right now. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. So each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video because sharing is caring. Thank you for doing all that. There are two ways that you can use this recipe. You can either use it as a leave-in where you do not have to wash, or you can use it as a pre-poo where you have to wash it out. When you use that as a leave-in, you can spray this on your scalp, on your hair strands, and massage it into your hair. The next thing you're going to do is to add some moisturizer or a leave-in conditioner to your hair. Do not just use this. It always has to go with a kind of hair moisturizer. This will help prevent hair breakages and also help this product last longer in your hair. Also, put your hair in a protective hairstyle. It can be a twist or any simple hairstyle so your hair do not dry out. When you use it as a pre-poo, you're going to pour this or spray this in your hair before washing your hair. Cover your hair with a rubber cup and leave it in for about 30 minutes before rinsing it out. And the results is going to shock you. Be consistent with it for faster hair growth. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.